Hello, and welcome to the assembly tutorial for our R-8287 Cyclone Bike Storage. Today, we'll be showing you how to assemble your unit step by step. Begin by inserting the optional slats into the base of the unit. Make sure each slat fits snugly and is evenly spaced for optimal stability. Next, mark and pre-drill holes for the anchors, then secure the base to the concrete. Take the first side panel and align it with the longer side of the base. Secure it with the screws provided in your kit, ensuring it's tight and upright. Now, let's attach the hinges to the left side of the doorway. Position the hinges so they face towards the opening of the unit for correct door function. Use a shim to keep the door level and align the door so that the hinges line up with the holes. Secure the door from the inside using the provided nuts. Place the intermediate partition. Line it up with the two hinged corners and secure it firmly to create two distinct locker compartments. Now repeat the wall panel installation process for the opposite side. Secure the panel with the screws provided in your kit. Install the hinges for the second door before securing the partition to the wall panel. Now repeat the process to install the second door. Add the hooks and shelves to the intermediate partition. This enhances the utility of your bike locker by providing additional storage options within each compartment. Finally, position the top panel onto the unit. Fasten it with screws from underneath to ensure a clean and secure finish. And there you have it. Your new bike locker is fully assembled and ready to use. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please visit our website or contact our support team at www.reliance-foundry.com. Thanks and have a great day.